Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans and I am here to plan the last full week in February. We are planning the week of February 24th through March 1st. We are about to enter the third month of 2020, which is pretty wild, but so far it's been a pretty good year. Can't complain too much, and this month has definitely been overall a lot better than last month was for me, so I'm grateful for that. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. This week I am using a sticker kit from Capitol Chic Designs, and this sticker kit is one of these sticker kits that Michaels came out with for Lamika of Capitol Chic Designs and Marg of One Smile with Love, and I think some of the other shops that have been in Michaels as a result of the collaboration between Wild for Planners and Michaels, where Michaels has been hearing pitches from people in the planner community about their planner businesses and then helping bring their products to a larger mass market retail space. So I was really excited for Lamika to get into Michaels. Her stickers are always highly in demand and she is constantly, just doing a lot of stuff. Like her list is, I don't even want to guess how long her list must be for customs. I'm not even sure if she's taking them right now. I'm not sure. I know sometimes she does take breaks from it. I actually have a custom doll from Lamika, which I love, and I'd love to get another one soon. So I just need to put some money aside for that. But I've always loved her custom dolls. She just herself is a really funny, awesome, just like great person in the planner community. She's so talented. I had the opportunity to watch her teach a little bit of a class at Planners Rock in Palm Springs with, is it Copics? I think it's Copics markers, and she was it was amazing to watch her do what she was doing. So big fan of Lamika, and that's why I decided to buy the sticker kit from Michaels. So the thing about these sticker books is it's not laid out like your typical weekly kit. It's got full boxes, half boxes, all of that jazz, but it's kind of like a mix of different things, so you can go ahead and pick whatever works for you, but there's definitely more than enough there are more than enough stickers in here to do a full weekly spread, and then probably be able to still have stickers left over to do another spread at a certain point. So before Lamika was Capitol Chic Designs, she was Pink Bow Ties, and so I think it's really cute that this is not only a pink, which of course I love, weekly kit, but that she's got the bow ties in here as well, and they're the polka dots. I just thought that was a really cool nod to how her shop has evolved over the years, and I thought that was really neat. So that said, this is what I'm going to be using to plan. So I'm probably going to be taking some moments to kind of figure out where the different stickers are, since there's not like a typical layout or system that I'm used to with a lot of other sticker shops that I shop with. So yeah, that's what we're working with this week. I think I've rambled quite a bit already. So with that, let's go ahead and just start getting the basics down. I think there are some date covers in here, and I'll probably start with those. Yes. Okay, so I've got my workouts down and I do have all of the dates covered. I will also go ahead and put my productivity tracker in here as well. You can kind of see, like I said, this setup is a little bit different than I'm normally used to, so it's just going to take me some time to kind of figure out where all the different stickers are. And no, I saw, there we go, habit trackers. Alright, so this week is actually pretty quiet for me. I don't have a ton going on. I do have some appointments, which luckily she's got these great appointment stickers in this booklet that I can use. So I have a dentist appointment on Tuesday afternoon, going for one of my, 6-month cleanings. I like when I'm able to have an appointment like last thing of the day, especially if it's an appointment where the doctor is on my side of town, because then it allows me to like get home without having to deal with the highway and all that kind of traffic. So I love when I'm able to have doctor's appointments that allow me to get home at a reasonable time. And I literally think that's it for things that I know I'm absolutely doing for this week. So that's the kind of week that I have ahead of me, which is good. I'm not complaining about it. So we are doing a fitness challenge in the Facebook group for my coach, and there's like, I don't know that it's up to $750 yet, but it has the potential to be like a $750 pot that you can win by just staying on track with your nutrition, workouts, personal development, all of that stuff during the month of March. And I certainly am motivated to win a $750 pot, as well as like level up my fitness this next month. I think I did a really good job this month, but I would like to step it up even more in March. So excited about that. I feel really bad because I feel like I'm forgetting stuff, but I know I'm not, because it's just really that kind of a week for me. So I am gonna go ahead and put like my usual suspects of things that I need to do every weekend. I kind of love this full box for Sundays, since Sundays are kind of like our chill day in this house, so I'm gonna put that one there. Forgot I have a video shoot in the morning on this day, so I do need to put that in here. Got some full boxes down, but I still have plenty, still have all of these in the front, and I may even add this checklist to Sunday depending on how I feel, but I've got plenty of stickers still in here to use, including bill due stickers and everything like that, so tons of options left. Appointment stickers still left over, some of these like half boxes, which I love. I think the size is perfect. I would love to see more half boxes from shops, like in general. I just feel like we don't get to have them enough in most sticker kits. But yeah, in this particular sticker kit, there's plenty, tons of icons that I haven't even touched, so there's still plenty in here. I don't really know what I'm going to do for the washi yet. They do have some washi strips included in here, so there's like these ones, and they have like, let's see if I can pull it up. There's like a scallop to it, so you can kind of see there, and then also this, but this is a little bit thick for me, and I'm not sure that I love that. It just takes up a lot of the white space, so I don't think I'm going to use that, but I may end up using the scallops. We will see. So there's also these here, which this I'm kind of intrigued by, this pattern, because I feel like it is adding something without taking up too much white space, so I may do this one. Let's see. Looks good to me. It's still creating like a parallel between what's happening here and here without being too taking up too much of the white space, so I think I like that. And then flip back to this page and grab this one. So I just added some embellishments to these Holbach stickers, and that's actually what you see here in the examples that they have on this week. So I thought that was a cute way to kind of dress those up a little bit. I don't think I'm going to put my husband's schedule because I think I've mentioned in a previous plan with me that has gotten pretty consistent, so I don't really feel the need to have it in every single week. One thing I think I might do is grab my meal plan stickers from Adorably Amy really quickly to put my meal plan in, because I don't know that there's like a sticker that has enough, like there's not 7 of a specific type of sticker in here to be able to put my meal plan consistently. So I'm gonna grab those really quick. Okay, so instead of my Adorably Amy stickers, I apparently used most of my pink ones. Must have been for another week that I was planning, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these ones from Krissyanne Designs. It's not the exact shade of pink, but it's close enough that I think it will work for what I need. So I've got 5 and then 2 over here in the lighter pink, and that's what I'll use for my meal plan stickers. Alright, so dinners are now in. Pull this back. Those are the big important things that I wanted to make sure I got in the spread. Make sure it's all in focus, and that is it. So I don't think I'm going to put any Simply Gilded washing here. I'm going to keep things kind of simple and respect the white space that I have in here. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week. I really loved using this kit, and I'm so excited about the fact that I still have so many stickers left over. And the stickers are really nice. They're nice to write on. They came off really well. They were pretty repositionable, I would say. And it was a good value for what I paid for it. I can't recall now what I paid for it because I bought it probably 3 to 4 weeks ago at this point. But it was definitely inexpensive for all that you got. So congrats to Lamika. I'm really excited to see her products in stores, excited for more diversity, inclusivity, representation, all of that in the planner community and in craft stores in general, especially the larger ones. So that is my PSA for this plan with me. If you're a longtime subscriber, you might have noticed I changed up the music in last week's plan with me, and it's going to be carrying forward for my future videos. I got a song, the song that I had been using for a while was a song that I got from what was supposed to be a free music website, and it turns out that the musician that produced that track sampled part of a older jazz standard, and their estate was not happy about that. So I got a copyright ding on that video, and it's not a big deal because that video just pardon me, won't be monetized in the future, and any of the other videos that I did in the past, should they decide to go back and make copyright claims against any one of them, I won't be able to monetize any of those videos. And not that I do these videos for money, because obviously I'm not. Would have stopped a while ago at this point. But at a certain point, once my channel does grow and I keep making these videos, it would be nice to make some money back on ads that are placed on these videos. So to prevent that from being an issue down the road, I just want to change the music. It's different from what I had before, but it's still the same genre, and I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying it and liking it. If you noticed the music was different, or if you do like it, or even if you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. I am curious. I meant to tell you guys in the last video that I was going to be changing the music going forward, and then I just started planning and totally forgot about it. So that's one change that has come to this YouTube channel since I first started, but I don't foresee any major changes to the format or style or anything like that anytime soon or in the future. The constant feedback that I get from you guys is that my videos are relaxing, that they're enjoyable, that they're very different from what's out there on YouTube, and that's what I want. I want my videos to be a representation of me, something that's relaxing and enjoyable for you guys to, you know, take 20 minutes out of your day and watch something that just makes you feel good after. So that is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post videos generally every single Tuesday for my Plan With Me's. And if you're a returning subscriber or a viewer and you've been here for a while, thank you so much for coming back every single week and showing me love. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. So excited for March, and I hope you all are as well. I will see you back in March. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.